How to add payment method on Coinbase. Now, if you wish to add a payment method on Coinbase, it is rather quite simple for us to do so. All we have to do is go ahead and then first of all, launch the Coinbase app, and then you want to make sure that you're signed into your account. From the top left, you can see the three menu lines icon. So tap on the three lines icon on the top left hand side. Then there you can find your account and settings option under your name. So tap on your name over here. You will see there's options where it says payment method and it says to add a payment method. So of course, tap the add a payment method option. Now you can choose what type of payment method you want. You can add a bank account, debit card, PayPal, or you can even redeem a gift card. So based on what you want, if you want to add a bank account, select your bank account, tap on continue, then go ahead and then connect with your bank account details. It will give you a disclaimer that it says that it uses Plaid. So once you select that, you can continue and log into Plaid, or you can also continue as guest. And then after that, you can link your bank account in order to add a payment method to Coinbase. This way you can add a payment method on Coinbase. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.